behavior according to which object allow passes of light and which object do not allow passes of light, and some object which is allow passes of light partially. Okay, now according to passes of light object, based on the behavior of the material towards light, all objects can be classified into three categories. How we have in terms of lights? Okay, according to behavior of the material towards light, object mainly divided into three categories. One of them is transparent, and next one is opaque, and next one is translucent. It means according to passes of light, object divided into three categories. First one is transparent. Then one question arises in our mind: what is transparent? How we have in terms of lights? Okay, an object which is allow light to pass through it is called transparent object. It means transparent object permitted the passes of light through it. Okay, here some example: glass, water, acrylic sheet, etc. If light incident on the surface of glass, light passes through the glass. And next one is water. When light incident on the surface of light, in that case also light passes through the water. Acrylic sheet also allow the passes of light. Okay, it means in previous class we have already discussed some basic law which follow by light. One of them was rectilinear propagation of light. Light travel in straight line if medium is homogeneous. It means if medium is same kind nature. Okay, if medium not changes, light travel in straight line. If medium changes, in that case light deviated from its path. It means light changes their path. Same case here, when light traveling in air and after that light incident on the surface of glass, on the surface of water, on the surface of acrylic sheet, etc. After that, after incidenting light on the surface of glass, light passes through the glass, but some deviation occur when medium changes. It means light traveling from air to glass, air to water. It means here medium changes. It means medium, first medium was air and second medium was water, maybe water, glass. In that case refraction of light occur. Okay, in that case refraction of light occur. Then one question arises in our mind: what is refraction? Okay, refraction means deviation of path. It means if light, for example, this is surface of water, light incident on this surface, okay, like this, but as this light enter in the water, glass, okay, this light not move in a straight line, but here some deviation occur. It means deviated from its path. This phenomena when light enter from one medium to another medium, this phenomena deviated from its path, diverted from its path, this phenomena is called refraction. Okay, this phenomena is called refraction, and this angle made with normal, this is an imaginary line which is drawn perpendicular to surface, at which point where light ray incidents, it means this point, and a perpendicular line draw at the point of incident, and we can draw easily what angle will be refracted and what will be incidence. Okay, it means this angle is called angle of incidence, which angle is made with normal, and this angle is called angle of refraction, which angle also made with normal by refracted ray. Okay, so allow passes of light, transparent medium, transparent object, but when light changes medium, it also diverted from its path. Okay, next one is opaque object. An object which does not allow light pass through it. It means this type of object does not allow passes of light through it, means we can say in other words, opaque object block the light. It means completely block the light. Does not allow passes of light means opaque object completely block the light. Okay, so in that case, an object which does not allow light pass through is called opaque object. Here some object rock, most of objects around us are opaque object. Rock, wood, cardboard, etc. all are opaque object. Then one question is in our mind: shadow. Which type of object forms shadow? Okay, it depends on completely which type of object block the light and which type of object allow passes the light. So shadow is formed by that type of object which block the light. Okay, of that object shadow form. It depends also on in which direction sun ray coming and in which direction sun ray going. Okay, depends on it. So shadow formed by which type of object? Opaque object mostly. Okay, next one is translucent object. This object allow passes of light but not completely. It means translucent object allow passes of light partially. We can say also in other word, translucent object allow passes of light, some part of light. Okay, it means some part of light blocked by this object and some part of light allow passes through it. Okay, so an object which allow only a part of light to pass through it is called translucent object. Some example of translucent: oily paper. Oily paper means oil paper, wax paper. It means when wax on paper, that type of paper allow light passes but not completely. You can also say scratch glass. Some scratch glass also, that glass allow passes of light but not completely. It means some part of light blocked by the objects. Okay, here object categorized on the basis of light allow passes, not allow passes, and partially allow passes. Okay, just after this we will discuss about reflection of light. Okay, reflection of light, we have already discussed about rectilinear propagation of light. It means light travel in straight line if medium is homogeneous. If medium changes, light path also changes. It means light deviated from its path. But if medium is homogeneous, it means medium has same kind of nature. It travel in straight lines. Okay. And next one is reflection of light. What is reflection? Why reflection occur? Okay. We have already discussed in previous classes. When incident light on any surface. When light incident on any surface. Three events occurs at the same times. Three events occurs at the same times. First one is depends on which nature of object. If object is smooth, polished, when things occur, reflection of light. If object not smooth, some rough on the surface of object. Okay, this object not allow completely reflection, but some part of light absorbed by object. Okay, if object is transparent, it means this type of object will have passes of light. But all three events occur at the same time when light incident on any surface. First one is reflection, refraction, and some part of light is absorbed by the surface. Okay, just talking about reflection. When light incident on a smooth surface, means reflecting surface, one side of that surface is polished. Okay, in that case, for example, this is a polished surface, light incident on this surface. Okay, this light turn back into the same medium, not same path here. Okay, same medium. Okay, this ray incident on this surface. After reflection, this light turn back into the same medium. Okay, come back into the same medium. This phenomenon of light is called reflection of light. Okay. Next one is here angle of reflection and angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Okay, and one is normal, which is perpendicular to surface, which is divided also reflected ray and incident ray in two parts. It means incident ray and reflected ray into two parts. Both are equal. Okay, it means this angle is called angle of incident and this angle is called angle of reflection. It means angle made by incident ray with normal. Angle made by incident ray with normal is called angle of incidence, and angle made by reflected ray with normal is called angle of reflection. Both are equal. But next one is also when light incident on rough surface, then what will be? In that cases, reflection of light not regular. It means reflection of light irregular. If surface is not smooth, it means surface is rough. If, for example, so many light rays incident on this surface, but after reflection not parallel to each other, in that case we can say this irregular reflection of light. But surface is smooth, surface is rough, all the time follow law of reflection when light reflected by any surface. It means angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. It doesn't depend on which type of surface, rough surface or or smooth surface. All the time follow law of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, I hope